Hey guys, welcome. We are almost at the finish line. Today is episode 19 in our 3-a-day multiple choice marathon. You have been doing pretty well so far. If you are a newcomer here, let me know in the comments. You can go ahead and subscribe as well so that as soon as the videos come at 3 p.m. daily and whatever other videos are going to be there after this. But yeah, this is the place to be, especially coming this Saturday night at 7 p.m. as we will have our Saturday night live. That's where we do so many paper two questions. And yeah, just run, come, join the DG Makes Math Easy family if you're not yet a part. All right. And I am really happy to have all of you deciding to take this journey. All right. So we're almost through with question paper 2019. So kudos to you if you made it this far. All right. So we are at question number 55. And yep, this one says the lines AB and CD are parallel, and we have a line going through both of those. And we have, of course, two angles marked here, X and Y. All right, so we are supposed to tell what's the relationship between X and Y. All right, is X greater than Y? Is X equal to Y? Is X plus Y greater than 2X? Is X plus Y less than 2X, etc. And this one is very simple, guys. So this is what many people call Z angles. They are alternate angles. All right. And I'm gonna just do a diagram here for you. That's like a Z written backwards. All right. And for those angles that would have been formed inside these two places I'm gonna mark right now, they are equal. All right. So X is equal to Y. This question is just a test if you know this property of when two parallel lines are um, cut one straight line going through them. All right. We have our transversal. All right. So we move to question number 56. And again, it's a test of basic properties. It says these triangles are similar, and for these triangles to be similar, so first of all, you notice some similar things. The angle formed here, 31 degrees, angle formed here, 59 degrees, and a right angle, which means that or the ratios of the sides of our triangles are going to be equal. Let's see. All right, so for example, the ratio of AB to the ratio of MN, that's in the other triangle, is going to be equal to the ratio of AC to OM. By the way, another way how we could have written this is that the ratio of AB to AC is also equal to the ratio of MN to MO once you are using the corresponding sides. All right, so we're going to have 6 to 7, and we're going to write it fractional now, being equal to 3 to something we don't know. All right, how can we find missing values in ratios that are, when you know two ratios are equivalent, we can simply use what is called the cross product. So let's say this is X. All right, so we would know then, let's clear the top part here. We would know then that 6 times X should be equal to 3 times 7. All right, and that's going to be 6X equals 21. And so to find the value of x, we can divide both sides by 6, and which means we will end up with x is equal to 7 over 2, which is also 3.5. So our answer would have been C here. All right, you could also just do this strictly by observation. When you look at 6 to 7 being equal to, ooh, being equal to 3 to x, you could say, all right, how exactly could I move from 6 to 3? My apologies. How exactly could we move from 6 to 3? And that would have been divide by 2. How exactly could I move from 7 to x? I would do the same thing, divide by 2, which would be 7 over 2, 3.5. All right, so, and this is one property of um, equivalent ratios that you could use. All right, so that would be that for this question. And we move to our final question, which is number 57. It says the image of a point P, which has coordinates 1, 2. The image under a translation is P prime, which is -5, -4. So we have the point P, which is 1, 2. We are going to just write it in vector form, 1, 2. And when we translated that vector, so we're going to add the translation vector, our result was the image, which is -5, -4, which means you and I need to figure out what could I add to the vector 1, 2? What could I add to 1, 2 to get -5, -4? All right, you could go ahead and say t then is equal to, subtracting this vector from both sides, we get -5, -4 minus 1, 2. -5 minus 1 would have given us -6, and -4 minus 2 would have given us -6. And our final answer would have been A. All right, so we also know that you could have simply said 1 times what? What could I add 1 to give me -5? That would have been -6. What could I add 2 to give me -4? That would have also been -6. All right, that's our final question for today. Join us tomorrow for our final episode in this series. We have, 3 o'clock. We have 3 questions remaining from the May 2019 past paper. All right, I'll see you there.